This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Meghalaya is further strengthening its entry and exit points in view of the spike in COVID cases in the country, including neighbouring Assam. The state government has asked people to refrain from coming to Meghalaya till the interstate movement is allowed and the situation improves. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Timsom said that in comparison to the rest of the country, Meghalaya is doing well in dealing with COVID situation and the number of active cases has dropped to 3. Making it clear that the government is not against anyone coming to the state, he however said that given the prevailing situation, people from outside should avoid coming to Meghalaya unless it's urgent. With 226 fresh cases detected yesterday, 102 of which were from Guwahati alone, active COVID-19 cases went up to 2,312 in Assam. Minister of State for Health, Piyush Hazarika, has urged people to avoid travelling to Guwahati unless it is essential. Those in the city should remain at home as much as possible, he said. The Assam government had imposed a complete lockdown in 11 of the 31 wards in Guwahati from 9 p.m. of Tuesday. Meanwhile, the recovery rate from COVID-19 in Assam is at 63%. Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma tweeted. He informed yesterday that 3,958 patients have been discharged from hospitals after recovery in the state. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal yesterday called on Governor Jagdish Mukhi to apprise him of the prevailing COVID-19 situation in the state, besides the fire at the gas well at Bagjan and the flood. In a meeting that lasted for nearly 30 minutes, the governor was apprised of the recent spike in coronavirus cases in the state, especially in Guwahati, an official statement said. Mr. Sonowal drew the attention of the governor to different measures, particularly locality-based lockdown to tackle the situation. The Chief Minister also told the governor that sustained efforts are on to put a cap on the blowout areas in Bagjan. On the prevailing flood situation in Assam, the Chief Minister told the governor that the administrations of the affected districts had been directed to reach out to the marooned people and carry out relief and rescue works. 3 more persons, including 2 women, tested positive for COVID-19 in Mizoram, taking the state's tally to 145 yesterday. Of the fresh cases, 2 had recently come from Delhi and were in institutional quarantine facilities, while a woman was found to have contracted the disease through contact with her father, who had tested positive for coronavirus on the 13th of this month. Mizoram currently has 126 active cases, while 19 have recovered from the infection. Altogether, 11,964 people have so far returned to Mizoram from different parts of the country and abroad in the wake of the lockdown. Manipur's COVID-19 tally mounted to 970, with 49 more people testing positive for coronavirus, an official said yesterday. All the fresh cases are returnees from other states quarantined at different centres, the official of COVID-19 Common Control Room said. Meanwhile, 70 patients were discharged after they recovered from the disease, taking the total number of those cured to 328. The recovery rate is 33.81% in Manipur, the official said. The state now has 642 active COVID-19 cases. 4 more persons tested positive for COVID-19 in Sikkim, taking the state's tally to 83, a top health department official told PTI yesterday. Director General cum Secretary of Health Dr. Pema Bhutia said that 4 persons, all from South District, tested positive for COVID-19 on Tuesday night. Contact tracing of the new case is being done, he said. 10 more people have recovered from the disease and were discharged from hospitals during the day. The total number of active cases in Sikkim stands at 44, while 39 people have recovered from the disease so far. In Nagaland, 15 positive cases of COVID-19 were detected at Jakama Army Cantonment in southern Angami region of Kohima district. They are being taken care at the Jakama Army Hospital and are all asymptomatic cases. The Army have started tracing of persons who came in contact with the positive patients from their place of origin and back to camp. The total confirmed COVID-19 positive cases in Nagaland increased to 347 yesterday. Out of this, 199 are active, while 148 have recovered. The only airport of Meghalaya, Umrah Airport, is well prepared to resume flights with all safety protocols after a gap of almost 3 months due to the nationwide lockdown. Director Umrah Airport Manish Kumar Agarwal informed that all necessary permissions for resuming flights have been granted by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Directorate General of Civil Aviation and the Meghalaya government. However, the exact date of resumption of flight at Umrah Airport is yet to be communicated by the Indigo Airlines. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.